iDOO Hydroponics Growing System Review. Hydroponics Growing System, Indoor Herb Garden Starter Kit with LED Grow Light, Smart Garden Planter for Home Kitchen, Automatic Timer Germination Kit, Height Adjustable. Hydroponic Circulation System, comes with an independent water pump, forms a water circulation system, increasing the oxygen. Plants growing in the nutrient water faster than soil. You have total control over the weather all year round. High performance grow lights, the 24-watt LED lights of the hydroponics growing system simulate the sunlight spectrum, promoting veggies photosynthesis in any weather. The indoor gardening with veggies can be placed in the kitchen, bedroom, or office. The indoor garden kit is an educational gift for children, helping them to observe the process of growth. Parents and grandparents will also love year-round fresh veggies. 3 smart modes for different growth stages. Grow mode, 16H on and 8H off cycle, with red and white LED lights for germination and viewing stage. Enjoy mode, 12H on and 12H off cycle, with 50% red and white LED lights, good for germination, bloom, viewing stage. Lights will be less noticeable in this mode. 2 water pump circulation modes. In normal mode, the water pump works for 30 minutes and pauses for 30 minutes. Switch the water pump to sleep mode by long pressing the pump switch for 5 seconds. The water pump will turn off for 12 hours and will then return to the normal cycle. You can enjoy a deep sleep in the same room as your home garden. Height Adjustable Garden Kit. The height of the lighting part of the hydroponics growing system can be adjusted for veggies at different growth stages, helping veggies absorb energy from LED lights and promoting growth. And you can simultaneously grow as many as 7 plants